Millions. Oh my Zibo.
It's happening live right now in Alaba.
What's up, what people? Welcome to ICU Media TV. Yes, this is Alaba International Market, the almighty Alaba International Market in Lagos, Nigeria. Yes, it's under demolition. You can see it yourself. See, all the buildings, about 17 plazas inside Alaba International Market is being demolished by the state government. This is I don't know what to call this. And most of the plazas in this market is owned by the eastern part of this country, which is the Igbo people. And as you can see, all the plazas have been demolished. Look at how the structures have been pulled down by the state government, Lagos state government. And it is just 3 days notice. They gave them 3 days notice to pack all their belongings. And now, today, this very Sunday morning, all these things are happening. You can see people out trying to rescue their properties, their goods, and secure their belongings. But unfortunately, most of us are crying. So many people are crying for the damages they are receiving this morning. As you can see, it is not a joke. This is happening right inside Alaba International. Yes. So you people should watch, because it is happening. I don't know why government should be giving people 3 days notice before they can demolish their property. This is unfair. At least you should have given them months, years, because this is heart of business. Alaba International is heart of business. This is a place where different countries and different people come and do their business and go, and now this is really happening. It is very bad. I don't know. And so many people, so many lives is put at stake here, and so many things, so many damages. You can see it for yourself, because I don't know what to say about this anymore. But I just need you to watch this yourself and see what is going on right here in Lagos State, Nigeria. This is not really appalling. This is quite appalling. This is not encouraging at all, because the citizens and the people that owns this property are really being hurt. It is not, people are not happy at all with what is happening this very fateful Sunday morning. Yes. So I just need you to watch this video, because it is so hurting. It is really so hurting. You can imagine the millions and thousands of nairas that is being damaged by the Lagos state government here. And it's owned by individuals, not even government. It is individuals. The eastern part of Nigeria, the Igbos. Most of these plazas are owned by Igbos here. And this is not good. This is not right at all. It's not right. Just watch this video. Watch this video and see for yourself what is going on right here in Alaba International Market. And don't always forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching. God bless you.
This is ongoing in Alaba International Market. They are destroying our property. They are destroying our property. They are demolishing. Destroying our properties.